Now, if you don't want to hire a professional to make you some channel art, I'm going to show you guys the best free site you can actually use to create the best channel art that's going to help you guys stand out when people come to your page. Now, in the channel settings, if you go over to your home page, I'm going to just go back over to the channel. Once you guys go to the channel, all you simply have to do is click the customize channel button. Click this button right here. It's going to take you guys over to the channel customizations tab. You can then click on this. It's going to be by layout. So you're going to go ahead and click on branding, and it's going to take you to this page where it's going to show you your profile picture. It's also going to show you guys where you can upload your banners. It's going to show you guys how you can have it on a desktop, have it on mobile, and also have it on a television. Keep in mind, on YouTube, everyone uses all three of these. I know there's a lot of people that still use their laptops to watch YouTube, especially college students and just young people in general. Of course, almost 90% of the planet use their mobile device, and they also use their TVs when they're just, you know, doing things for like a party, or maybe just they're chilling eating dinner, right? So everybody uses these devices, so it's good to see how your channel art is going to look on all of them. And you know, you just want to make sure that you're optimizing it for all of these devices and not just one. Okay, so you can also watermark your videos. This is essentially the little picture in the corner that basically labels and stamps your video. Not a lot of channels do it, but it's really cool if you have a transparent picture that has your logo. You guys can actually put it there. Okay, so we're gonna start off on the best site to find some free logo art. Now, of course, there's plenty out there. This is the one that I recommend to my clients. I think this is the best site, and it's just a really cool site to get designs, okay? So it's called luca.com, okay? A really cool website name in my opinion, okay? And so it's gonna ask you to enter your company name. Let's just put YouTube Mastery, right? So that's the name of our channel. It's YT Mastery. It's gonna ask you, what is it about? And I'm just gonna say coaching, okay? It's a coaching program. So I'm gonna go ahead and put coaching. Then it's gonna show you guys a bunch of logos, okay? I'm gonna ask you guys like, which one do you think you like? So then you guys are gonna choose a few, and from there, you're gonna begin to create your logo. So I really like this simple One Planet logo. I'm gonna click that. You guys can click as many as you want. And once you click as many as you want, you can then go ahead and click continue. So I'm just gonna pick like 2 of them. Then I'm gonna go ahead and click continue. Then it's gonna ask you guys to choose the color. Of course, the color of the mastery program is blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and click blue, and you guys can choose as many colors as you like. I believe it's only 3 colors, so choose the best ones you like, and then click continue. Afterwards, it's gonna ask you to add a slogan, so we can just leave it blank. Afterwards, you guys are gonna go ahead and click continue. Afterwards, it's gonna give you guys some keywords, and you can select up to like 3, I believe. And after you select it, it's gonna give you guys your logo. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click coaching, learning, and then I'm also going to click consulting. I believe it allows you to click a lot more. So click as many as you can, and then click continue. And then it's gonna start generating a ton of logos, okay? Now, I'm not gonna go too deep into depth with this. You guys can see here, it's gonna ask you to sign up. You guys can continue as guests. It's perfectly fine. So for demonstration purposes, I'm not gonna create an account or anything like that, but you guys can do that if you like. But once you guys start creating your logo, you can get it for free, but I'm just gonna go ahead and select this. So you guys can click it, and then once you guys click it, it's basically gonna allow you guys to customize it. So if this isn't the color scheme you want, you guys can go ahead and go with a different color scheme, right? So there's so many different variations of this. You guys can just go through it on your own time, but it basically shows you an example of how it looks. Basically what I'm gonna do here is screenshot it. It will allow you to download it. When you guys do decide to download it, I believe it's gonna ask you to sign up for like their email marketing or anything like that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna screenshot it to show you guys. So I'll go like this, I'll take it. Now I have the screenshot. Then I'm gonna go back over to my channel. I'm gonna click upload. Then now I have my logo. I can basically grab it and place it. This is actually a horrible example because, oh, actually it doesn't even look bad. It looks pretty good. Then I'm gonna do the same thing for the banner. So let me go ahead and upload it to the banner. Now, when you're uploading to the banner, it's gonna show you all of the devices and how it will look. So once you guys click on customize your banner art, it's gonna show you what the actual image is gonna look like on all of the devices. Simply click done. You can adjust it if you like, but I'm gonna go ahead and click done. Then afterwards, I'm gonna just go ahead and go go down here. Like I said, you guys can just upload this, and on every single video, it's just gonna show you guys the logo in the corner so people know that's your video. And when they click on this little button, this little watermark, it's actually gonna show a little subscribe button right there. So it's really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and click done. You guys can select end of video, custom start time. I normally pick the entire video because it's just best to have it here, and it just looks really clean. I would normally go for a transparent background with this, guys. Make sure it's transparent because nobody wants to see a huge like border on their screen while they're watching the video. It's just kind of in the way, all right? So after you guys are complete with this, you can then go over to the publish button. And once you guys publish it, it's going to save, of course. And after it saves, the loading bar is going to pop up. Just let it go. And then from there, click go to channel. Once you guys go to channel, you can see that you now have your channel art, you have your profile picture, and it looks decent. Now, this isn't something I would do. Normally, I would do a profile picture, something like that. And then I would have a completely different logo up here. So a variation of this logo or some sort. So if I go back into here, I'd probably go into this and I make this whole thing blue, just like this color right here. And then I'd go back over to my channel and it'll have the entire banner blue and it'll just look very nice. So I wouldn't suggest making your profile picture and your banner the same picture. It will kind of look weird. As I said, you guys want to make your channel look as appealing as you possibly can. And yeah, guys, that's how you guys go ahead and create free channel art without spending a dime.